The below is an excerpt from a recent edition of Bitcoin Magazine Bro, Bitcoin Magazine's premium markets newsletter. To be among the first to receive these insights and other on-chain Bitcoin market analysis straight to your inbox, subscribe now. Markets prepare for CPI surprise. The U.S. Producer Price Index, PPI, data was released on October 12, 2022, a day before the highly anticipated Consumer Price Index released the following morning. In short, it's not a good sign for those expecting a below-consensus CPI beat. Although headline PPI is coming down, the month-over-month, MOM, growth came in higher than expected at 0.4%, consensus, 0.2%, and the headline annual change came in at 8.5%. PPI has less of an impact on immediate market moves compared to the CPI as it doesn't account for inflationary costs being passed on to the end consumer. Still, it's an inflationary measure that gauges if businesses are facing accelerated prices and chance to move in the same direction as CPI. CPI consensus is 0.2% MOM, so an overshoot of even 10 basis points could send the market into another significant downwards move, killing any Federal Reserve pivot hope left. Monthly percentage change in Producer Price Index and Consumer Price Index. Annual percentage change in Producer Price Index and Consumer Price Index. This is not the only sign in favor of a higher than consensus CPI print. Previously, we mentioned the Cleveland Fed inflation nowcasting data which projects a 0.32% headline CPI MOM change and 8.2% headline annual change. That said, 17 of the last 19 nowcasting forecast reports were actually under the CPI reading. Recently this tool has been closer than most consensus forecasts but consistently underestimates the actual CPI data. When the more conservative CPI forecasters are predicting a consensus beat, tread cautiously.